Welcome back, children, to your English class. This is the sixth chapter from your book, My English Garden, and the chapter name is The Magic of Konapalli Toys. So, children, this is the place Konapalli where the toys are very famous throughout the country. So, let's see what has been told in this chapter about the toys. So, first thing which is going to be introduced in this chapter is that it is said here, did you know that animal, birds, reptile, humans learns a human learn the lessons of life through play. So now it is said, children, that we children, no matter it is a child of a bird, reptiles, human, or an animal, we all learn many lessons from of life from प्लेइंग गेम. हम गेम्स के थ्रू ज़िंदगी के बहुत सारे लेसन सीख हमें मिलती है. एनी ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ टॉय, और फॉर प्लेइंग एनी ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी यूज. कुछ भी हम खेलने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. लैंड कप्स इवन प्ले विद देयर पेरेंट्स टेल. Human children play with the objects of daily life like spoon and cardboard boxes, but toys remain the favorite playthings of most children. So now, अब चाहे वो इधर इट इज़ अ चाइल्ड ऑफ अ लायन, चाहे वो एक लायन का बच्चा हो, इट प्लेज विद इट्स पेरेंट्स टेल, वो अपने पेरेंट्स की पूंछ के साथ खेलता है. ह्यूमन चिल्ड्रन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम प्ले विद द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर फाउंड इन होम. जो घर पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं लाइक स्पून्स, कार्डबोर्ड्स, बॉक्सेस होते हैं, उनके साथ बच्चा खेलता है. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दिस, दैट toys always remain favorite playthings of most children. जो most of the children, they like playing with the toys only. This is their favorite thing. Now the main chapter is starting. So in India, the oldest toys belong to the 5,000-year-old Harappan civilization. So in India, the oldest toy, very old toy belongs to the period that is 5,000 year ago. 500 साल पुराना जो हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन है. चिल्ड्रन, if you have studied EVS or social science, so in history you must have come to know about this civilization that is famous as Harappan civilization. So this Harappan civilization that occurred in 5,000 year ago. So जो वहाँ पे टॉयज़ मिले, बेसिकली जो ओल्ड जो खिलौने थे, पुराने खिलौने थे, वो इसी पीरियड से जुड़े हुए हैं, हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन से जुड़े हैं. These toys were made with natural materials like clay, wood and stone. And these toys which were found in Harappan civilization, they were most of made up of clay, मिट्टी के, wood and stone, मिट्टी के, पत्थर के और लकड़ी के बने थे. They depicted ordinary men, women, animals, birds, fruits and vegetables, as well as the important professionals who existed in those times: the potter, carpenter, the farmer, among others. So how did those toys look? कैसे वो दिखते थे? Most of the toys looked or presented or depicted ordinary men, मतलब एक साधारण इंसान के लाइफ से जुड़े हुए थे. They presented women, animals, birds, vegetables and even the professionals जो व्यापार करते थे like potters, carpenter, farmers. They used to present the ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ ऑफ पीपल. लोगों की जो साधारण सी ज़िंदगी थी उससे जुड़े हुए टॉयज़ हुआ करते थे पहले. And these ancient toys are surprisingly similar to handmade toys of later date. And surprisingly, it means coincidentally, those toys are similar to the toys which are being made in present time. जो आजकल टॉयज़ बन रहे हैं, जो या फिर उस जब न्यू एरा आया, जब नया नया युग आया, उस टाइम में जो टॉयज़ बने ऑलमोस्ट उन खिलौनों की जो बनावट थी, उनकी जो शेपिंग थी और उनका जो वे ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर था, वो हर चीज़ पुराने टॉय से मिला जुला करती थी. Many religions in India specialized in making toys. In the southern state of Andhra Pradesh, for instance, the name of place such as Konapalli. So many religions in India, uh, many religions, बहुत सारे धर्म हैं in India which are specialized in making toys. वो toys बनाने में they are good at. And the very famous place which is located in Andhra Pradesh, named Konapalli, Nirmal, Etikopakka and Tirupati are associated with wooden toys crafted with great style. So these are the names of places which are located in India, in South India, and most of the wooden toys are made by these places, and they are famous for their great style. वो बहुत ही अपने स्टाइल के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हैं. Let's have a peep into the world of Konapalli toys. Look at the image of toys. Do not the figure don't figures don't the figures give an impression of lifelike charm, like they are little people ready to jump out of the page in any minute? Welcome to the world of Konapalli toys. So now the writer is asking us to have a glance at these pictures which are completely resembling ह्यूमन बींग्स, जो बिल्कुल ह्यूमन बींग्स की तरह लग रही हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है दैट दे आर सो अट्रैक्टिव एंड दे आर रिप्रेजेंटेटिंग ह्यूमन बींग्स. वो ह्यूमन बींग्स की लाइफ को, ऑर्डिनरी लोगों की लाइफ को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं, और दे आर सो रियल दैट इट सीम्स दैट अभी कुछ ही देर में दे विल बी अलाइव, वो जिंदा हो जाएंगी और दे विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग सम एक्टिविटीज़. So they are too much real in their presentation और in by their look. अपने look से बहुत ज़्यादा लाइव, बहुत जीवित लगती हैं, लग रहा है बहुत ही बिल्कुल असली हैं. So this is the speciality of Konapalli toys. ये कोणापल्ली toys की एक सबसे बड़ी खासियत है. So children, I'll be stopping here only, and what you need to do, you need to read the paragraph and try to understand the way I have been telling you. पहले उसको एक बार रीडिंग करिए, नहीं समझ में आता दूसरी बार रीडिंग करिए, then only your reading comprehension will be getting better day by day, right children? So till then children, see you soon. Till then, bye bye.